Hey everyone, Todd Stone here with educatortechnologytraining.com, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create a Dropbox account. So going from the link on the blog, I'm going to click this link. I'm going to put my first name in, last name, put email, and I'll create a password. All right, I'm going to agree to the terms. Click the Get Started button. Okay, so now it's going to download the software. And select Run. Okay, so it's downloading right now. So some of the reasons why I like Dropbox, first of all, it's super easy to set up, as you'll see, and use. Another nice thing about Dropbox is you don't have to lug around USB drives or hard drives or even your laptop if you don't want to be able to have access to your files. Once you have Dropbox installed on your computer and on your other devices, all you have to do is drop your file in your Dropbox folder and it'll automatically sync with all your other devices that have Dropbox on it. So your cell phone or your tablet, or maybe another computer like your work computer. It all syncs up, and so it has those files on all the computers now. So that's one of the things that I really like about Dropbox. It's super easy to share a file. So this is great for collaborating on projects. So whether you're a student or you're a teacher, there's times where you need to work as a team with other people and you need to share documents. So traditionally, this is done by putting a document up on a shared drive where everyone has access. Okay, let's see what it's saying. All right, still waiting for a little bit more. Here we go. So on my other screen, what it's showing me is congratulations, your Dropbox was successfully installed. Open my Dropbox. So now I'm going to install the software. Unfortunately, I've got two screens going right now. So the one that's I'm filming everything on, all the other screens are getting dropped down below it. So I'm bringing them up here so you can see them. So here we go. Welcome to Dropbox, Todd. Get started. Has a little tutorial, tells you what you can do with it. And we finish. So now on my computer, you'll notice right here that I now have a Dropbox folder. So it looks like a folder like any other folder on my computer, but inside we have a Getting Started with Dropbox PDF. So that was about 3 minutes it took to set this up and to start using Dropbox. So 3 minutes. Super simple. You just have to put your full name in and your email address and then set up a password. Here's the PDF that is in the folder. It just goes about telling you about Dropbox. But super simple. So I'm going to close this. So the idea being, once you have your Dropbox folder here, you drop any file that you want or into Dropbox here, and it's going to sync up with all your other devices that have Dropbox on it. You can create folders within this main Dropbox folder, and same thing, those folders are going to sync up with your other devices. Once you have a folder, let's say we'll create one here. We'll just call it test. All right, so once I have my test folder, if I right click on this, let's see, you see we have a share with. So you can share it with nobody, you can just lock this, or you can specify specific people. And what that does is it's bringing up this menu right here. And so you would you just enter an email address here, and you would add them. So, I mean, this is just a test user, so they can't find them. But anyway, you'd be able to add them, and then you'd be able to set their permissions right here once they're added. And you just select share. And now they would get an email saying that you've shared this Dropbox folder with them, and they would be able to access the files in it. So it's as easy as that. So as I was saying before I finished the setup, is that traditionally when you wanted to share a file, you'd either have to set up a share drive on a network, or you would have to send it as an email you'd attach the file to an email and send that to your team so that they could look at it. So the problem with that, though, is you have all these emails with different versions eventually floating around. So it's really easy to overwrite other people's work or to lose files. So this way, with Dropbox, the file's in one spot. Everyone has access to that one spot. They're going to this one spot to work on the file and to make updates to the file. And it's all right here. And there's nothing to get lost. You even have version control on Dropbox. Let's see if let's see, here we go. We can view previous versions. You can also view comments if people leave comments on a document when they're working on it. And if you don't have your computer with you, but you want to access your files from someone else's computer, you can go to Dropbox.com. It'll sign me in automatically. But you'll go to Dropbox.com, you'll sign in with the username and password that you created, and now we see the web interface for this. So now I can still access my files. I don't have to have my computer with me. I could be using my wife's computer or a friend's computer and still be able to get these documents, download them, view the information. Has a PDF reader in here, so you can just, even if the person doesn't have a PDF reader on their computer, you can still see the information. So very cool, very cool. I definitely recommend that you check this out, especially if you're a student. This is a huge benefit to be able to keep all your files and everything all together, especially when you're on the go, going in between classes. Definitely check it out. Hope this helps. Talk to you guys next time.